guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, as you can tell. But before we get started, I do need to shout out my sponsored product, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay guys, so I wanted to come and show you guys this beautiful perfume from Dossier. They are sponsoring this product today and I had the chance to try it out. I'm so grateful for them to reach out to me. Y'all, when I say this smells so good, oh my god. Anyway, I'm so in love. So the scent I chose was the floral ylang. Y'all, this smells so good. So it comes with a sample. Every time you order, you'll get a little sample. This is perfect because I can put this in my purse and just spray myself on the go. Y'all, this packaging is everything too. Look at that. I just love this box and the way it came. So here is the product. I am so in love with this already, y'all. I love how it shows the ingredients right here, a little bit of it. So we have blackberry grapefruit, we have jasmine, we have musk, orange blossom. Y'all, this smells so good. So if you're interested in like a more flowery, clean linen type smell, this is perfect for you. Now, if you're more into like citrus and like smelling fruity, this will not be it. I already love this. As you can tell, I've already used some. My husband loves it as well. He was just all over me. He said the scent was so like strong but not overpowering, and he said that he loved it. So this will definitely be a keeper for me. Guys, if this is something you're interested in, make sure you use my link in the description box below, get you a discount, and also check out their affordable perfumes. Now, these are inspired by luxury designer perfumes, so you're getting really good quality for an affordable price. So this one is inspired by a perfume by Chanel. Like, oh my god, I didn't even realize that's something I chose because I love Chanel. So yes, you guys, it smells so yummy. Oh my gosh. Now again, make sure you check them out. If this is something you're interested in, make sure you use my code in the description box to get you some coins off. And let's get into this video, guys. Bye.